Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Come with me as I unbox my first poodle item before 2023 ends. To give you a little clue about this product, I purchased this last December 20, the exact day may pa-free shipping si Shopee. I received this item last December 26, the same day I recorded this video to test it out. If you don't know, my lashes aren't naturally curled like some of you have. That's why I ordered this right away. This is not my first time having eyelash lift, but this is the first time I'm doing it on my own. Disclaimer: if you are not confident enough to do this on your own, I suggest to have them in the dermatologist near you. Watch me as I do it on my own. I decided to have lash lift before 2023 ends because I have a lot of changes to do for myself, and I'll start by anything na kaya sa bulsa. Narealize ko kasi na mas mapapamahal ako kung every 2 months ay magpapalash lift sa iba, lalo na sa service fee at pamasahe back and forth. So, why not bibili na lang ako tas ako na ang gagawa, 'di ba? Mas tipid. Anyway, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ang eyelash lift ay nagtatagal ng 2 months only o mas nakadepende pa ito kung paano mo inalagaan yung lashes mo. As you can see, nahihirapan akong ikabit yung pads kasi hindi masyadong lumikit yung glue. Tip ko lang para strong ang hold niya para hindi kayo mahirapan gaya ko, kailangan nyo munang medyo patuyuin ang glue bago mo siya idikit. Sisinunod ko lang naman yung steps. Makikita nyo sa likod ng packaging ng mismong product. Ilagay ko sa screen yung steps para makasunod kayo kung ano nang nilagay ko na solution sa lashes ko. Little story time. First experience ko magpa-lash lift last year 2020 with my mom sa Bacoor, Cavite. At ang ganda ng pagkagawa nila and ang last ko paggawa sa iba ay dito sa Mulawi, Zamboanga del Sur at medyo nadismaya ako kasi hindi man lang umabot ng 2 months yung lash lift ko kundi 1 day lang. Pansin ko, minamadali iyon at tinipid sa mga perms na ilalagay kaya hindi na ako umulit-uli. Disclaimer, hindi yon professional dermatologist kundi isa din siyang student lang. Nag-wait ako ng 12 minutes para maglagay ulit ng next solution. Anyways, if you want to buy this product, I post it on my description box or pin comments for you to check it out. And there you go guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment to this video. It can be about this video or a suggested vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mwah!